Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up price alerts in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official eToro website right here at eToro.com if you're not already. So once you've opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open up the application and you're going to see the join eToro option. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you don't already have one, and in the upper right corner you can log into your account. So once you've logged in, you are going to see your profile picture in the upper right corner that you can click on to open up your portfolio, dashboard, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to set up price alerts. So this is going to enable us to get a notification whenever an asset hits a target we have set. So go ahead and set up price alerts. We are going to go to the page of the asset whose price you would like to track. So here you can open up your trading section and you're going to be able to open up the trading dashboard from where you can go and find the asset you want to set the alert for, and you're going to scroll down to the set price alert widget. So once you scroll down on that section right here, is going to enable you to see the set price alert widget, and then you're going to select a predefined percentage change or select custom to choose your preferred percentage or price target and click set alert. So you're going to find set alert at the bottom of the asset, and then you're going to follow the steps, fill out the info and click confirm, and this is going to enable you to set up the alert. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.